Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Targo Bank account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Targo Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address targobank.de like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Targo. So let's wait for it. And here guys, we are on the home page. Let's change this to English. And okay, accept all cookies. With that being said guys, okay, that being done guys, you can see on the home page at the top right corner of the screen there is a login button available for us. In order to log into our Targo Bank account, we will be required to click on that login button like this. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username and your password. But before that, if you have not yet signed up for a Targo Bank account, you can always go to this button where it says the new to Targo Bank. Click over there and go to the registration process of the Targo Bank. If you have not yet created an account or registered an account on Targo Bank. That being said guys, let's enter our username, and after that enter your password. But if you've forgotten your password or your login details, you can just simply retrieve or retrieve your login details from over here where it says the forgotten login. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your password. Similarly for the username. With that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login now, and then you'll be signed into your Targo Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.